What you doing there, Heidi?
I'm playing my game. It's fun for me.
What are you doing there, Eris?
Oh, huh?
What? What?
Are you making a movie?
I am making a movie.
Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
What are you doing there, Michael?
Why don't you share Christmas joy?
Yes, sir. I'll just
Why
hold
did
that
you
for
turn
you.
on the TV?
Birth of Brooke.
Feel better? Yes.
Here we are at Christmas time. In Heidi and Mike's house.
It's
See?
a mess.
We trashed it. And then we'll leave soon. Michael watches football.
All the time.
Eris tries to win.
Oh, so close.
Oh. Alas.
Oh!
I can't handle the pressure. I can't handle the game.